Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to rename your headphones LG Tone Free Fit using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices right here, and after that click the information icon near to your headphones. Right here we have this pencil icon, sometimes it's located right here at the right top. Click on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something new. Let's say this one. And after you finish, click rename. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!